Our YouTube, I just wanted to explain how to make a groove in a in a piece of wood. If I wanted to put a groove here, if I was going to make it into a box or something like that, and then I could set a bit of hardboard or another piece of piece of ply or something in that groove. So I just wanted to show how to make that groove. How you do it is you'd lower the blade, move the fence closer to its appropriate place, and then run the piece of wood over the blade. Now, as you can see, the issue is that there's a knife on the end of this. This knife is an essential piece of safety equipment, but unfortunately we can't do this cut with the knife on, so we're going to have to remove the knife. So first thing you'll have to do is remove these 8 bolts, and then there's another 4 bolts. Well, it's not bolts, sorry, screws. Another 4 screws on the access place on the plate on the side. They're all star screws, so you need to get a screwdriver and remove them. So I'll do that first of all. Side panel removed. You can see these 2 nuts, bolts, and they use this. They screw into this bolt, this plate here. This is a threaded plate, and you can see the blade over there. I'll never change the blade, but I will try a new blade, and I'll make a video for that as well. So what we need to do is we need to going in from the top. We need to remove those 2. There they are. Need to remove those 2 Allen bolts and their retaining plate and the knife. So let's do that next. I'm going to need 2 hands for this to grab the plate from the bottom. As you can see, the knife has now been removed. I've just screwed it all together just to stop myself losing washers or the, one of the bolts, or a spring washer or the backing plate. So let's now put all the guards back on.